Okay, kids, it's me, the Red Panther. It's September. I'm in Vegas. I'm at the wow, why does my mind always go blank? I'm at the Venetian, I think. Oh yeah, I'm at the Venetian. Okay, now we're going to play a game called Spot the Rich People. As you can see, the canal is empty. No pictures of that. Here's a very nice jewelry store. Wait a minute, watch store. See if any rich people go in there. Leonardo DiCaprio wears those watches. Well, not seeing any rich people yet. Wait a minute, what's this? Oh, wait a minute, diamonds. Well, that's it for me, kids. I'm going back.